India approves upgrade of Coastguard's maritime aircraft. India's Ministry of Defence has approved the midlife upgrade of 17 license-built Dornier Do-228 maritime reconnaissance aircraft belonging to the Indian Coast Guard, for Indian rupee 9.50 billion. According to the government's Press Information Bureau, the state-of-the-art technology upgrade will include equipping the Dorniers with special maintenance tools and special test equipment. The ICG also employs its fleet of some 23 Dornier Do-228-100 and Do-228-200 variants for search and rescue missions, medical evacuation and protecting and assisting Indian fishermen.